Today, we're diving into the latest buzz from DJI. We've got a fresh batch of exciting news, from the newly released N3 goggles to leaked images of the mini microphone and the Mavic 4 Enterprise drone. Let's break it down. DJI N3 goggles, a gamer's dream. The DJI N3 goggles offer a significant leap in FPV technology, providing an immersive and seamless flight experience. With a 1080p resolution and a generous 54-degree field of view, pilots are treated to a crystal-clear, wide-angle perspective, making every flight feel incredibly realistic. The spacious interior design ensures comfort during extended flight sessions, while the auto-defog feature eliminates the need for manual adjustments, keeping the view clear in various weather conditions. Powered by a long-lasting battery, the N3 goggles allow for uninterrupted flight time, enabling pilots to fully explore their surroundings without worrying about power interruptions. Additionally, the goggles' compatibility with a range of DJI devices, including the Avata 2 and Neo, makes them a versatile choice for both beginner and experienced FPV enthusiasts. This broad compatibility ensures that users can seamlessly integrate the N3 goggles into their existing DJI ecosystem, enhancing their overall FPV experience. In summary, the DJI N3 goggles are a compelling option for anyone seeking to elevate their FPV experience. With their impressive display, comfortable design, practical features, and wide compatibility, these goggles offer a truly immersive and enjoyable flight experience. DJI Mic Mini, small but mighty. The DJI Mic Mini is a compact and affordable wireless microphone system designed for content creators on the go. This sleek device delivers professional-grade audio quality, making it a compelling option for both beginners and experienced creators. One of the standout features of the DJI Mic Mini is its compact size. The microphone's small form factor and lightweight design make it easy to carry around, perfect for vlogging, podcasting, or video recording on the move. Despite its compact size, the DJI Mic Mini boasts impressive audio capabilities. It utilizes advanced noise reduction technology to capture clear and crisp audio, even in noisy environments. This ensures that your recordings are free from background distractions, allowing your voice to shine through. Connectivity is another key aspect of the DJI Mic Mini. It features USB-C connectivity, which is compatible with a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers. Additionally, the included lanyard provides a convenient way to keep the microphone secure while on the go. Perhaps the most impressive aspect of the DJI Mic Mini is its competitive pricing. This makes it an accessible option for content creators of all levels. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your audio setup, the DJI Mic Mini offers excellent value for money. Mavic 4 Enterprise, a drone powerhouse. The leaked images of the Mavic 4 Enterprise drone offer a glimpse into the future of aerial technology. This highly anticipated drone promises to redefine the boundaries of aerial photography and videography. The most striking feature of the leaked images is the larger body compared to its predecessor. This suggests that the Mavic 4 Enterprise will boast improved flight performance and longer battery life. A larger body often translates to more powerful motors and a larger battery, allowing for extended flight times and the ability to carry heavier payloads. Another notable design change is the thinner arms. This design element not only enhances the drone's aerodynamic profile, but also suggests advancements in obstacle avoidance technology. Thinner arms can provide a wider field of view for the drone's sensors, enabling it to detect and avoid obstacles more effectively. Additionally, the leaked images hint at an advanced sensor system, likely incorporating multiple cameras and LiDAR sensors. This sophisticated sensor suite will further enhance the drone's obstacle avoidance capabilities and provide more accurate data for mapping and surveying applications. RC2 Plus controller, taking control to the next level. To complement the new drone lineup, DJI is also rumored to be releasing the RC2 Plus controller. This controller is expected to offer improved connectivity, longer battery life, and additional features to enhance your flying experience. A glimpse into the future of DJI. While we eagerly await the official release of these products, it's exciting to see the direction DJI is heading. With a focus on innovation, quality, and user experience, DJI continues to set the standard for drone technology. As we look ahead to 2024, we can expect even more groundbreaking products from this industry leader. Stay tuned for more. As always, we'll keep you updated on the latest DJI news and reviews. So, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss a beat. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to support our channel. We're also excited to announce that we've recently reached 15,000 subscribers. Your support means the world to us. Let's aim for 18,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Your encouragement helps us create even better content for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.